This episode is brought to you by CompWest Insurance Company. CompWest Insurance Company is a dynamic provider of workers' compensation insurance in California and select western states, targeting customers across most major industries. They are the Western States brand for AF Group, an A-rated excellent company who's collectively one of the nation's largest writers of specialty insurance. You're listening to Rancho Mesa Studio One podcast, where each week we break down complex insurance and safety topics to help your business thrive. I'm your host, Alyssa Burley, and I'm joined by Brenda Colby, Client Technology Specialist with Rancho Mesa. And we're going to talk about ways to prevent cumulative trauma injuries. Brenda, welcome to the show.
Happy to be here, Alyssa.
So Brenda, cumulative trauma injuries, or CTIs, have been on the rise here in California and across the country. Will you explain what CTIs are for our listeners?
Sure. So cumulative trauma injuries develop slowly from repetitive motions, awkward postures, and prolonged static positions. And these are injuries that occur over time, not on a specific date. And they often result in things like chronic back or knee pain from lifting heavy equipment, or carpal tunnel syndrome from improper ergonomics while using a computer.
So why are we seeing an increase in these types of injuries?
Well, the Workers' Compensation Insurance Rating Bureau reports that cumulative trauma claims now make up 3% of all claims, and the number of CT claims has doubled over the past 10 years. It seems that because CTIs develop over a long period of time, they can be more difficult for an employer to defend against than injuries that are sustained on a specific date. So it opens a door for more litigation around these types of claims. And a lot of these claims, nearly 39%, are filed post-termination, and there are plenty of attorneys out there, especially in California, that are implementing aggressive marketing efforts to employees to file CT claims.
So it's not necessarily that there are more CT injuries in the workplace, but more claims being filed.
Exactly.
So what are some of the ways employers can help prevent cumulative trauma injuries?
Well, first, I would suggest that employers encourage employee reporting, and that includes early reporting of unsafe conditions and potential safety hazards on the job, like improper use of equipment or a need for ergonomic changes. Employees should feel comfortable reporting these things. Rancho Mesa clients can use observation reports in the Safety One platform to document hazards that need to be addressed as well.
Okay, what else should employers do?
Well, proper safety training is also an important step in preventing both immediate injury and CTIs. Employees should be aware of how to properly use equipment and protect their bodies from repetitive stress. For employees in construction and landscape industries whose jobs require manual labor, Rancho Mesa's RM365 Advantage Mobility and Stretch Program and Able Lift Protocol helps workers prepare themselves for strenuous physical tasks and prevent injuries. Office employees can also benefit from ergonomic training to help prevent aches and pains associated with sedentary work. Office ergonomics and industrial ergonomics training courses are both available through Rancho Mesa's Safety One platform as well.
Yeah, those are all really great resources. And Rancho Mesa is also hosting a cumulative trauma claims workshop at the end of the month. And although the in-person event is sold out already, we will have a recorded version available to clients shortly after it takes place. So Brenda, if listeners have questions about using Safety One or other resources, what's the best way to get in contact with you?
As always, clients can contact me at bcolby@ranchomesa.com or call me directly at 619-486-6562.
All right. Well, Brenda, thank you for joining me in Studio One.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for tuning in to our latest episode produced by Studio One. If you enjoyed what you heard, please share this episode and subscribe. For more insights like this, visit us at ranchomesa.com and subscribe to our weekly newsletter.